Making a template for your ladder is quick and easy. All you need is a piece of cardboard, your ladder, and a pen or marker. Go ahead and put the cardboard on the ground, set the ladder on top of the cardboard, and release the ladder completely. Turn the ladder so the mounting holes are facing the cardboard. Take your marker, mark the front and back of each side of the ladder. This will help you know how much clearance you have later on. Once you've marked the front and back of each side of the ladder, mark each of the mounting holes. There you go. You now have a rough template to help you mount your ladder on whatever boat and whatever need you have.